Nothing like the army of benchies. I carried them out. I have approximately 13 benchies. I am printing another benchie, so it's gonna be 14. I keep on printing benchies, and this is my collection of 3D and stuff, just the mess ups, and then got some of the extra from it, got some extra from it, and yeah, that's my 3D printer setup. Oh yeah, and we also got the 3D printer. I got the Glassford Venture 5M. Pretty good 3D printer. Can't put any stuff on it, that sucks. But if any content creators that have a 3D printer see this, I like watching your content. I do 3D printing stuff.